Trading can seem intimidating at first, but with some basic knowledge and guidance, you can learn how to navigate the markets and potentially grow your wealth. First, let's define what trading is. Trading refers to the buying and selling of financial assets, such as stocks, bonds, and currencies, with the goal of making a profit. Before you start trading, it's important to understand some basic concepts. Risk. All trading carries some level of risk. The value of assets can go up or down, and there is no guarantee that you will make a profit. Investment goals. It's important to have clear investment goals and a strategy in place. What is your investment timeline? What is your risk tolerance? What is your target return on investment? Market analysis. To make informed trading decisions, it's important to stay up to date on market news and trends. This can involve analyzing financial statements, following industry news, and keeping an eye on economic indicators. Now that we've covered the basics, let's talk about some key steps for getting started with trading. Open a brokerage account. To start trading, you will need to open a brokerage account. A brokerage account is a type of investment account that allows you to buy and sell financial assets. There are many online brokerage options available, and you should research and compare fees, features, and customer service before choosing a broker. Choose your assets. Once you have opened a brokerage account, you can choose which financial assets to trade. Some common options include stocks, bonds, options, and futures. Consider your investment goals and risk tolerance when selecting assets. Develop a trading plan. Before you make your first trade, develop a trading plan. This should outline your investment goals, risk management strategy, and criteria for entering and exiting trades. Stick to your plan and avoid making impulsive decisions based on emotions or market hype. Monitor and adjust. As you begin trading, monitor your portfolio and make adjustments as needed. This may involve rebalancing your portfolio, adjusting your risk management strategy, or revising your investment goals. Remember, trading is a long-term game. It takes time and patience to develop a successful trading strategy. Stay disciplined, stay informed, and always keep learning. Good luck! For more videos, subscribe and share video.